TeamJournal AI is one of the most exciting AI tools that just hit the market, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, this review will give you the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have all the insight you need to decide if it's the right fit for you. And yes, you can try TeamJournal AI for free from the first link in the description below. TeamJournal AI is a game changer when it comes to organizing and automating team collaboration. The platform is designed to streamline team workflows, making it easier to manage projects, track progress, and communicate more efficiently. Whether you're a startup, a growing team, or a large organization, this software promises to adapt to your specific needs. One of the standout features of TeamJournal AI is its ability to automatically generate meeting summaries and actionable insights. Instead of wasting time sifting through endless notes, TeamJournal uses AI to pull out key takeaways, saving you time and ensuring you don't miss important details. Another major feature is its seamless integration with existing tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. If your team already uses these platforms, TeamJournal AI can integrate with them smoothly, saving you the hassle of switching between apps or disrupting your team's current workflow. It's as easy as connecting the software to your preferred tools, and you're good to go. TeamJournal AI also stands out with its deep analytics capabilities. You can get detailed insights into team performance, task completion rates, and even how well individual members are engaging with projects. This is invaluable data that can help managers make informed decisions and improve team efficiency. It's all about giving you the right information at the right time to optimize your processes. For teams that prioritize security, TeamJournal AI has robust security features. From end-to-end encryption to secure access protocols, this software ensures that your data is always protected. Especially for businesses handling sensitive information, you can trust that TeamJournal takes security seriously. The user interface is another point of praise. It's intuitive, clean, and easy to navigate, even for those who might not be very tech-savvy. Whether you're setting up new projects, organizing meetings, or reviewing performance metrics, everything is right where you need it, making it simple to adopt and integrate into your workflow. Another thing worth mentioning is the level of customization that TeamJournal AI offers. From adjusting the types of reports you get to tweaking the way information is presented, you can tailor the software to meet your exact needs. This flexibility makes it a great choice for teams in various industries, whether you're in tech, consulting, or even education. Finally, the pricing structure is competitive. With a free trial available, you can explore the software before committing. This is ideal for small businesses or startups who want to test out the software without a long-term commitment. And if you decide to go all in, the paid plans are affordable, considering the powerful features you're getting. So if you're looking for a comprehensive team collaboration tool that's powered by AI and offers exceptional value, TeamJournal AI is certainly worth considering. Whether you're just getting started or are looking to optimize your team's workflow, this software has something for everyone. If you're ready to give it a try, check out the link in the description below for your free trial. And by the way, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've also got some of my top recommendations for you to explore down there. Be sure to check them out and see what works best for your business.